something, what are you giving up? Control. Yes, you're giving up control. So I want to talk about a couple of things this afternoon. And one is, how do we find things to delegate? So how do we figure out, what things we should be doing and what things we can delegate? And then secondly, I want to talk about how to actually go about delegating, because there is, believe it or not, a process. And one of the reasons that we shy away from delegation is it doesn't turn out the way we want it to. Is that fair? Yeah. So if I say the words, it gets done quicker and it gets done correctly if I do it myself. Does that sound right? So it's very hard because obviously, as we've heard from just about everybody, what's happening in your head, what you think is happening, is often completely different than what's actually happening. So the only way really to break these habits or to get to improve in this is actually to be able to see yourself and go, oh, because I promise you, are you? It's entertaining, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah. I know.
No idea what I'm saying. I'm just pulling all over the place.
Okay.
Take the volume mode.
Yeah. And you know what? This is the point. Next time you stand up to present or speak, you're going to remember that. Well, but that's the body language, isn't it? When you hear the sound on that, the next time you go to present, you'll stop and go, oh, I remember that. And and it's the quickest way. You can break those habits just like that.
If that's what we believe, then that's what we'll create. It's not my fault. No, you may not have programmed your subconscious in the beginning, but we can choose to stay there or we can choose to move out of there. And here's the power of this and why I'm even sharing this with you. To me, it's foundational. It's a fundamental principle of escaping that invisible prison. And it's called the self-fulfilling prophecy, all right? Because whatever we believe, we project out there. And we believe that other people can see that or believe that about us. So our beliefs about ourselves drive our expectations.